Hi, my name is Scott. I represent SoundAround, and this is a video entry for NC State eGames 2010. So SoundAround is a web platform for bands and live performers to create their own iPhone applications. So we are allowing them to take all their existing web stuff and their branding material and put it on a mobile platform where everybody seems to be heading these days. And so there's two parts to our system. The first part is the actual iPhone application that you see that we create individually for them. It's individually branded for each band. And we also provide a web portal for them to manage the content that appears on their iPhone. So what we're going to do first is take a quick tour of the iPhone and its features, and then we're going to show you the web platform behind it and discuss a little bit more of the secret sauce behind what makes it work. So when you launch the application, this is an individually branded application. I will preface that we just have some test data in there right now. But if we head over to songs, you can see that it starts playing song in the background, and this is going to continue to play throughout the experience in order for the user to listen to the band's material while they peruse everything else on the application. So I'll turn this down. Now notice we have quick buy buttons. We can play and pause the music, etc. Everything's there conveniently. Multimedia encompasses photos and videos. And so we can click on a photo album and it should load up some thumb images. This is me with my grandma at my graduation. And you can see just clicking and dragging through like you're used to doing. It's a regular iPhone app. Videos, you see the thumb and the title. If I were to click one of these, it would just load up in the YouTube player and it would play full screen. News encompasses private news posts. Okay, so you see there's like a title, a posted date, and some news posts behind it. Tweets encompasses their Twitter account, and so it pulls in the last 7 days, I believe, and mentions is who is mentioning them on Twitter. Shows encompasses their show schedule, of course. You've got a list of past shows with information about them, as well as upcoming shows, and you can see that there's details about this show as necessary, including the date, the time, the venue that it's at. We can open it in the Maps application to get directions. And we can even share it on our social graph through things like Twitter. So if I click on share on Twitter, we can log into Twitter here really quick. And if the login is successful, it says publishing event to Twitter. It says the event was shared successfully. And I've just shared this event with all of my friends that are following me on Twitter to let them know about the band. Band info, of course, encompasses biography, right? And any external links that they want to provide for their mobile users. So this might be things like their MySpace, their Facebook account, their band website, etc. So we can click on one of these. It'll load up within the app. Okay. This, of course, is the NC State homepage. And the last category here is just Pulse, and this just allows them to manage, what social networks they're logged into. We allow them to do Twitter and Facebook. Now, if we pull up the account management system, this is the jumping off point where all of the content gets put in and managed for their application. So if we go to songs, you can see that they can either upload a new song, or you'll see the 3 that were present when we loaded up the songs page. As for photos, you saw 2 albums. So we had Graduation and DCI Allentown. Videos, same thing, we had 3. And they can manage their things like Twitter, etc. through their band username, mentions, and whatever hashtags they might use. Biography exists for them to upload an image and also input the text biography, etc. So you can see that all of the information located in this content management system is also located in the application. Now, the secret sauce that I wanted to talk about was the fact that we generate these applications on the back end automatically pretty much while we sleep. And so we allow them to come sign up for an account, much like they would a Facebook account. They input some information like the name of their band, where they're from, what color scheme they want, what their logo is, etc. And our dynamic system takes in that information and creates a custom branded app for each individual band. And this allows them to extend their reach, not only on the web scene, but in the mobile scene as well. We've seen great trends growing in digital music sales and mobile browsing. We think this is a great play for bands to help extend their reach and also make a little bit of money off of it based on the features that you saw today. So we're excited about participating in eGames. If you have any questions, you can email me at scott@getsoundaround.com. Thank you.